click on the image at the top, go to edit, scroll to the bottom until you see shadows, and then click on outline. Click on the edit outline option so you can change the color of the border. You're going to change the intensity at which you see the border itself. And you can also change the size of the border. Once you're done, just exit out of the edit option. And now I have a border for my image. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.